Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. Uh, Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the some important Linux command. Okay, so here our topic is viewing and editing files. Viewing and editing files. First of all, we are going to discuss about the section one, that is cat command. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start our session. And before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed about some important file and directory commands. Okay, so PWD, present print working directory, ls list, ls-l, a detail list, and ls-a, show hidden files, ls-lh, human readable sizes. For detailed explanation, you can visit our previous class. Okay, I'm just recalling the comments which we have learned in the last class. Okay, so cd space folder name means it will go to the direct folder. Okay, cd space double dot means go back one step, and the cd slash path means absolute path, cd session home directory. Okay, and make mkdir means making directory or creating a folders, and mkdir hyphen p means a parent or child or creates a nested folders. And next rmdir, so removes a folder. Touch means for creating an empty files, and if you want to create multiple files, then we can go for touch, and we have to give the file names whatever we want to do. Okay, we want to create. Okay, this is about our previous class. Now we are going to discuss about our today's session. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the viewing and editing files, right? Okay, Linux. So first of all, we used to start up with cat. Okay, so cat. Uh, the cat command is used to display the contents of a file or combine multiple files. Okay. Uh, think of it's like it is quickly opening a file to read what inside. Okay. So whatever we are going to write in a file, then we, if you want to display that content, then we can use this cat command. And also for combining the multiple files, we can use this cat command. Okay, so first of all, first we will go with the execution, then we can start this one. So for that, I'm opening the Ubuntu. So see here, I'm going to write one second. Wait for a second. Okay, so first of all, I am going to uh, give the echo command. Then let's see about after that we will also use the cat command. Okay, first of all, I'm going to write here echo. Here I'm going to provide the text in that file. Okay, so the text here is that hello world. Just a small simple text I'm going to provide here, world. and here I'm going to send this text into a one file. Okay. Uh, that file name is file1, and it is an txt format file. That's why I'm going give here file.txt. Okay. Echo is the command to display the content, and also hello world. Here hello world I'm going to send that uh, text into a file. Okay. Here it will this symbol is used to send the text. Okay. Now I want to display the content of that file. Then file1 dot txt. Okay, file1 dot txt. See here, I had given hello world, so that's why it has given hello world. I had sent this into file1, so the content of file1 is hello world. Okay. Next, for this, I am going to write the notes also at the same time so that you can easily understand. Or else you can copy paste here. Yeah. So what it will show, it will do, echo will come, a command will prints the text. Prints the text. Next, this symbol, we have used this symbol, right? Sorry. Mhm. Wait. Saves the text into a file name. Okay. Saves the text into a file name. Or else I can also give this here. Saves that text into a file. Okay. Into a file. Next. Here, then we have used cat command, right? Cat space file1 we had given. File1 dot txt. Displays the file's content. Displays the file's content. Okay. Now we can go to the command line. So Ubuntu. Here I am going to provide one more text into the second file, and I'm going to combine the both files. Okay, combining the both files. For that, what I'm going see now I'm going to clear this one of for avoiding the confusions. So here I'm going to give echo same echo And here I'm going to give line 1. Just it's a normal text. Okay. Whatever I put in the quotes, that means that that is a text which I am going to send in one file. Okay. So, and here the file name here I am going to give is file2. Previously we had given file1, right? Now I am giving file2 dot txt. Okay. Next, I am going to give cat file1 dot txt, file2 dot txt, file1 dot txt, and then file2 dot txt. So see here, previously I had given a hello world into file1 and line1 to file2. So the both files combined here and the content of both files are given here. Okay. So here, so cat, or else we can correctly copy paste this instead of typing. Okay. So what it will do? Combines multiple files. Combines multiple files. Okay. So here it is about first thing, cat. Okay. And the second we are going to do is is nano. Nano is nothing but an editor. So the nano command opens a text editor inside the terminal. Okay. It's a simple and beginner friendly. So Nano is nothing but a text editor. So now we are using some editors like a Notepad, Edit Plus like that, right? So in the same way, we can use the Nano. Okay. So for that, here I am going to use this one. Now I am going to clear this. Okay. Nano notes dot txt. Nano notes dot txt. So here, this is the text editor. Okay, nano is the one text editor. Whenever I had given that nano space notes.txt, it has opened the notes.txt. Okay, this is the file. Okay, notes.txt. Okay, and next, if notes.txt exists, opens it. Okay, wait. Here is small note for this. If notes.txt exists, then it opens it. Okay. Sorry. Basically, okay. Opens it. Okay. If it doesn't, but this means that if already notes.txt file is there, then it will open. If it is not there, then it will create new one. Okay. If it does not, okay, creates a new one. Okay. And then, and you can type your text normally, and for saving, press Control plus 4, then press enter. So here, Control plus, or else it will save. Control plus O, and also then enter. You have to hit enter. Okay. It will automatically save that one. Okay. Now, after going here, if we want to exit, okay, if you want to exit from the text editor, so here we had opened the text editor, right? If you want to exit from here, then we can use Control plus X. Okay, now I had used Control plus X, so it was written to the previous shell. I mean our Ubuntu shell. Okay, so here the shortcut for this is Control plus X. Then what operation it will do? Exit. Now, if you want to check what we typed, okay, then you can use cat notes.txt. .txt. Okay. Then, so it will displays the content. Displays the file content. Okay. Now I'm going to execute the same here. So before that, here I'm going to use the same command again. Here hi hello is there. Okay. Now I'm pressing Control plus X. Now I want to display this one. Okay. Instead of nano, I'm using here cat. See, hi hello. Now I want to change the content. Okay. Then I'm going here and here. Here I'm going to write how do you do? How do you do? Or else we can simply write Sanketik live classes. Okay, and now I had changed the content to from hello world to how do you do, and then Sanketik live classes. Now I'm exiting from here. Okay, and if you press Y, then it will automatically save. Then wait first, give me a second. Okay, so it was closed. Now I want to display the content of that notes.txt. Okay, now we have to enter cat space notes.txt. Then it will show the content. How do you do? And Sanketik live classes. Sanketik live classes. Like that it will display. Okay. And next. So here a small note for these two. Okay. Nano space file name. If you give nano space file name. So here nanospace notes.txt we had given, right? Same, I am going to write here nanospace, or else you may get confusion. Here I will simply write file name only. Stop that file. Okay, file name. Okay, nanospace file name. If you give like that, then opens nano editor. Okay, opens nano editor. Next, control plus 4 is used for saving, and control plus X for exiting. Okay. Next, our third section, third command. Before this, so third one command is grep. So the grep command is used to search text inside a files. So if you want to search something in the file, then you can use grep command like control plus F in Windows. Okay, and it is very powerful when working with the large files. If you have large files, so here in the above we had mentioned lot of commands. Okay, so if you want to find anything else here, then what you will use, you can use control plus F, right? Okay, then we can search for the command. Okay, in the say, but it is in Windows. Okay, but when coming to the Linux, we need to use the grep command. We need to use grep command for searching. Okay. So here I am going to display something here for understanding in practical. So here I am going to write something. Here I am going to insert some text in a file. Okay, echo space hyphen e. What is this hyphen e? Also, I will explain you. Okay, Linux is Linux is powerful. See here, I'm going here slash and means it will enter into the second line. After writing the full line, then while showing the results, you can understand. Okay. Till that, please be patient and listen carefully and observe what I'm writing here. Okay. Love Linux. Sorry. Linux. Again slash and I'm giving. So again, it will go to the second line. I mean, third line. I mean, or else next line, what we can say. Windows is also useful. Windows is also useful. Here I'm going to send this text in one file called sample.txt. Okay. Next. Now I want to display the content of a sample.txt. For displaying what we are going to is cat. Okay. Cat space sample. If you have any doubts, if you understand, if you didn't understand, then please comment below. Okay. Cat sample text. See. So here echo Linux is powerful. Linux is powerful in first line. After that, we had given the slash n. Slash n means next line. Okay. I love Linux. Okay. I love Linux. And then we had also given slash and Windows is also powerful. So Windows is also useful. Okay. So this is comes under in next line. Okay. So whenever you want to display the content in the next line, then you can use a slash n. Okay, slash n. And now after displaying the content, then I want to search whether this file has the Linux word. Okay, whether this file has the Linux word or not. Okay, just for a second. Give me a second. For that, what we are going to do here is grep and then I'm going to search Linux. And we need to give the file name. Okay, whatever file name we had given, so we had inserted this text into the file name called sample.txt, right? So here we are, I am also giving the same file name, sample.txt. Okay, so here, yes, in this text Linux is there, that's why it is showing in the orange color or red color, we can say. Okay, if it is not there, it won't give. Okay, so it is there, right? That's why Linux is mentioned in two times, that's why it is displaying that two times. Okay, Linux is powerful and I love Linux. Okay, and next, here I am going to use one more command, grep -i Linux sample.txt hyphen a sample.txt. So here what I have done, the same output it has given, right? But what is the change in here is, here I had given hyphen I, and I had given Linux, that is small l. Here I had given the capital L. Here I had given the small l. So what this hyphen I will do is, it will ignore the case. Okay. If you give without hyphen I, it will not display anything. So see here, I am doing here. Okay. Just wait. Without giving hyphen I am giving the same. So let's see what it will do. See, it is not displaying anything. Okay. Why? Because it is Linux I had mentioned in this line is with capital L. Okay. But here I had searched using small l. Okay. Now I want to give here capital L. Then see, content is displayed. Just is changing a case. Okay. So then now I am going to give the small l, but with the hyphen I. So it will ignore whether it is a small letter or capital letter. Then it will display. Like that we need to use. Okay. Next, I am going to use here one more thing, one more command, grep hyphen n, and then Linux. Instead of hyphen I am giving hyphen n. What it will do, let's see. Sample.txt. See, now it will display the line numbers. Okay. In the first line, Linux is we are having Linux, and in the second line, so it is having Linux. So it will display the line numbers. Okay, 1, 2, like this. Previously, it was not shown. Okay. So here for this, we are going to write the nodes for that. Echo. So first of all, here you had also given the echo hyphen hyphen e, right? So what it will do is, it will allow the characters like slash n. So slash n is used for next, for inserting in the next line, right? If we want to, if it is want to allow slash n, then we need to give hyphen e. Then only it will take the text into the next line. Okay. Echo hyphen e. Hyphen e. Let's us use slash n for new lines. Okay. Slash n for new lines. Next. Instead of doing this, stop it wasting the time. I am going to give here copy paste. finds the word Linux. Finds the word Linux. Next, ignore case. Hyphen A means ignore case. Hmm, Like example I am giving here. Okay. Next command. Next, what we are going to know is hyphen N. Here we had used hyphen N, right? What it has done also shows the line numbers. Also shows the line numbers. Next, example. I just you can give the example here. Okay, we can copy this. Okay. This is what next example. Okay. Okay. This use it for just searching for a word. Okay, these are the examples. Next, section 4 or next command. You can say fourth one. Head and tail. Head and Okay. So the head and tail commands are used to quickly check the first new lines or last few lines of a file. Okay, first few lines means head, last few lines means tail. Okay, for understanding this, I am going to execute the commands. Now, first of all, I am going to clear these for avoiding the confusions. Now, here I am going to use the for loop. Don't worry about this for loop. I will tell you. And you can also simply understand by saying this. Just carefully observe, that is enough. If you observe means you can directly grab. Okay. Now here for loop means why for repeating the number of times. Okay. For I in here I am going to create the 20 lines. Okay. From 1 to here I am going to specify from 1 to 20. Next. After creating these, I am going for do echo line $. Hmm. I closing quotes. Next. Big dot txt. Done. Okay. Now, after that, here I am going to give head -5. I will explain you later. First of all, let me finish this comments. Okay. Big dot txt. Okay. See here. Now you can understand. Now I will explain you. Okay. So here, first of all, what I done is for I in. So for is the loop. It will continue the loop for from one number line number 1 to 20. Okay, 1 to 20. It will create 1 to 20 lines for I in. Okay. So I will be the one. Sometimes it will be one. Sometimes it will be two like that, right? And also next, do repeat the commands for each number. Okay, it will repeat the commands for each number. So echo is used for displaying the lines. Okay, displaying the output. And then here line line $. And then what here going to here is I am going to give the 20 lines. Okay. Okay. So from 1 to 20, I am going to display like line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Like that, I am going to display. Oh, and after writing this line 1, line 2, line 3, and so on for up to 20, I am going to save that content in the file name called big.txt. In big.txt. Okay. After that, I'm saving that done. Done means it's already done. Operation completed. Okay, like that. And then after that, after giving this line, I am going to display the content, the first five lines. Okay, first five lines. Okay. So for displaying the first five lines, we need to use head command. For displaying the last five lines, then we need to use tail command. Okay. So if you use tail command instead of head, then it will display like 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Up to 20, it will display. Okay, now let's see by using the tail command as well. Okay, tail hyphen 5 big.txt. See, from 16, yeah, from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last five lines it will display. If you use head, display first numbers. If you use tail, then it will display last numbers. Okay, now here I am going to write one more command. So tilf so keeps watching the file. Okay, tilf means keeps watching the file. So I mean it will help for the recent updates. Okay, display. Okay, it will it will be used for the last recent updates what we have done. If you want to see the last updates in that file, then we can use this command tile -5 big data txt. Okay. If you didn't understand now, then you can understand these kind of things later. Okay, but don't get confusion, don't give overburden to your head. Okay, let's try to understand and try just listen. Okay, in upcoming classes also we are going to use these commands. Okay, at the time you may get some understanding. Okay, for till the time you need to remember these commands. Okay, tail, head, tail, and previously we had these some command like pwd, ls, cat. So echo, this kind of commands you need to remember. Next, so here 1 to 20 is the loop. Okay, you can understand. Okay, and next, do means done. Repeat commands for each number. So here I am going to write that one. Give me a second. Done. Okay, next, repeat commands for. Sorry, each number. Repeat commands for each number. Next echo. So echo dollar I. Echo dollar I means prints line 1, line 2, etc. Okay. So here I have given after these symbols big.txt. So what it will do while giving this is saves all lines into big.txt. Saves all lines into big.txt. Next, head hyphen 5 shows first 5 lines. Shows first 5 lines. Next, tail hyphen 5 shows last 5 lines. Next, tail hyphen f keeps watching file. Okay, then C, control plus C. I had pressed now. Okay, control plus C is used for to stopping. Okay, CTRL plus C. Use it for to stop. Or else it if you don't press control C, it will the executes only. Okay, it will never stop. Okay, if you press control C, then it will stop. Okay, Next, we are going to use the next section, that is fifth one, and the command name called less. Okay, less means what? The less command is for weaving large files easily without loading everything into memory. So if you want to see the large files, then it will take a high memory to load. If you use less means it will take less memory. Okay, it will display the content quickly. Okay, for suppose now here I'm going to use less big data txt. See here, it will display the everything. Okay, line 1 to line 2, line 20, line 1 to line 20. Okay, so for going for upward and downward, we used to use up arrow and down arrows, up arrow and down arrows. And if you want to stop and again want to go for the command prompt or basic shell, then we can use q. So if you use q means it will quit, okay, or else it will show the that content. Okay, now and also this less command will help for only read only mode. Okay, not for writing or not for changing the content. Okay, so here I'm going to write here less file open file in read only mode. Next, up arrow and down arrow for page upping and downing or navigating. Okay, so up arrow or else up or you can say down arrows. For navigating. Next, Q. Q means what? Quit. 80. Quit. Okay. So here that is for class 2. So here we learned how to view files with cat, edit, and with nano, search with grep, check beginnings, and ends with the head and tail, and scroll large files using less command. Okay, and scroll large files by using less command. Okay. In the next part, we will look at the file operations like copying, moving, and deleting files. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. See you in next class. See you in next class. Okay. Thanks for watching.